G'day guys. For the last week, unfortunately, I've been held up at home with a bad back, so today I'm going to try and alleviate some of that boredom by straightening my wonky wheels. Step 1 is to go grab your bike out of storage.
Ow. Oh yep, that's exactly what the doctor ordered. Perfect. Nope, she's fine. Totally fine.
Next is to find a comfy spot to get the job done. When my wife is out of the house, I find there's nowhere better than the living room. It's always a good idea to quickly go around and check for loose spokes. Then, you can gauge where there are any issues with your rim. Without a proper jig, you can do it with your finger, tool or pencil. Grab your spoke tool. Spokes that deviate to the left will pull the rim to the left when tightened, and spokes that deviate to the right will pull the rim to the right when tightened. Turning the spoke nipple this way will tighten the spoke, and funnily enough, turning it the other way will loosen it. Don't worry though, you'll get this wrong 50% of the time. Repeat this process a few times, checking the rim from both sides, and do the front rim while you're at it. Once they are both true, give your bike some love, clean up your tools, wipe off any marks on the rims, sharpen the wife's fancy Faber-Castell pencil, wash the new towel you got for Christmas, and you're done. Thanks for watching in guys, just a bit of fun to make my day more interesting. Now if you actually want to learn how to true your wheel, please ask someone that knows what they're talking about, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Cheers!